Hello, everyone. Good investor here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope your weekend went well. I'm here with a new stock, not really new in this channel. We've explored it already, but I just wanted to give you some updates, some of the things that happened on Friday of last week, and some of the things to prepare you for this upcoming week, and some of the moves that I would like to move forward with beginning this Monday. So to kick it off, I would like to start today with only giving you two stocks, and one of them would be Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull ETF. This is an ETF that I covered already in this channel, and it's a 3 times leveraged ETF. If we go down here, we can see that it's a 3 times daily exposure of modified market cap weighted index of companies primarily involved in design, distribution, manufacture, and sale of semiconductors. So semiconductors, as you might know, is all the chips that you can find in literally any technology. So they are the chips behind all the technology out there. Call it AI, it can be crypto, it can be blockchain, it can be automotive cars, it could be any kind of EVs. Tesla is running on so many chips, and all those companies is put in one ETF, very leveraged, which means very risky, and put in this ETF, which could give phenomenal returns, as well as if it goes down a lot too. So I do have some exposure in this ETF. So I just wanted to disclose that. And just a final note that I am not a financial advisor. I am just sharing my own experience, my own thoughts, and I leave it for you whether to decide to move on or not. So to begin with, look at this update on Friday that happened, and you can see that it actually moved up a lot. About during the market hours, it went up, by about 14%, and after hours, it went down a little bit, but that's the adjustment that usually happens. So during the market hours, 14.8%, which is about 15%, and it's just stocks. And I do have exposure on not only stocks, but as we said, also on the options. And on the options, I made that day on Friday 33%. And because the stock went up so much, the options will go even more because they are riskier. But overall, I am down on them 25%. But that I see a good thing to some extent, because we are at the bottom of the market. The market crashed a couple of days ago. I think we are at the bottom, looking at my portfolio. So it will only go up from this point. Maybe there would be some adjustments, but mainly shooting in the long term, which most of these options are, given the August 20th, I think they will go up by then. And if you look at their price right now, and it's $1.23 of per share of contract, and one contract could have 100 shares, so it's about $123 per contract. So I consider that cheap. I usually look at contracts between $1 and $2. Usually, it could be more than that, but usually $1 to $2, and 123 is right there. And considering the fact that I am a true believer of semiconductor industry, I do think it will go up. I will show you some charts here. You can see that they were at their peak on February 19th, $45 a share. They did some stock splits. They were way higher than that. They were about 600 to 800. I don't believe it. Don't quote me on that. But they made a 15-to-1 stock split. So that's why their stock price is $45 only. So they tanked on March 5th, and since then they have been going up. And I think that there is plenty of room to grow. And considering that we are at the bottom right now, third stimulus check is out there, I think it will go up by a lot as well. So because of that, I do think that you guys should give it a look and see what you think. On another note, there have been a shortage of chips for the last couple of days, and it's been all over the news. And if you can Google it, the shortage of chips, semiconductors, means from the supply and demand from economics, less supply, and with the steady demand, the price should go up. And if the price goes up, it will be better for the companies who are producing chip stocks. And voila, right? Soxl is right there and actually covering all those chip making companies in a very diversified portfolio. And in the news, you can see that NEO is being shared, right? NEO shuts their plant because of chip shortage. So that is a big news out there, and there are many articles there to help you to actually position yourself well during this chip shortage. And as you can see, there's many out there. And the biggest one out there is also the Suez Canal, not initiative, but Suez Canal situation that happened. This massive ship getting stuck in the middle of out there, and given that the trade is massive, right, in those regions, and this is actually causing a huge problem for the ships, for the trade. And obviously it's taking a lot of time for goods to be shipped from one place to another. So this affects the prices. It does affect so many other things, which I will not cover in this video. But what I will cover is that CNN actually tried to make a joke out of it, and actually they tried to ask kids what they would do to free the ship in the Suez Canal. And I think this is really funny, and I wanted to share this with you as well. You can give it a listen.
Do you see that boat stuck right there?
Yeah.
Now tell me, how would you get that boat out?
Godzilla.
Do you see that boat right there?
Yeah.
That boat is stuck in the Suez Canal. It's stuck. What do you think they should do? What would you do?
I would try to lift it out.
You try to lift it out?
With some strong things.
Like what?
Like, tweezers.
Tweezers?
If we take it...
Oh my God, I don't want to go through this fully. I will drop the link down there if you want to look it fully, because I do want to keep my videos shorter. But how adorable are they? I will not even touch that point. But this is so funny that CNN is trying to make a joke out of this situation, that they're asking kids how to take an obstacle in the middle of the canal, how to move it. So this is I found it very funny, and this is what CNN is doing, right? So on jokes aside, I think this is all good for the semiconductors overall, even though the situation is not good. I do think that there is a massive demand on semiconductors, and there will be as we're going on with blockchain, as we're going on with electric vehicles, and as you saw, the NEO situation, right? NEO shutting down one of their plants is a huge news as well. So on Monday, I will make another video of what exactly I will approach that day, and I will actually capture the entire trade of me getting into some of the options. I do find these cheap, so I definitely will drop a video of me purchasing them. Other than that, I think this is all for today on this video. You have a great night. I will talk to you later. Thank you.